Hello, welcome, dearly beloved, gathered here today to say goodbye to our friend, the Niffler. So, let me take him out here. Oh, get out of here, box. All right. Yeah. And there's his pieces. All right, so this is actually made for a wonderful collaboration that was the third year of the Birthday Mischief Managed, as authored and brainstormed and collabed and everything by Mitchie Coran, Mitchie's Munchies, check her out, and yes, Caljava Fonda, and Magic Chocolate, and Magic Colors. And look, here's that coin, right? The coinage that was, and now you can see it's almost warped and bent, and oh, it's all really brittle. So the reason, and just to say that this was the second or the third year, the Griffin was the second year. So there was the Griffin, who is also destined for the trash can, and then third year was the Niffler. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, well, you know, go check out the gallery. The story of this piece, really quick. If you know the Niffler, you know that he's into the money, right? That which sparkles. But at the end, you see Jacob do this wonderful donut, right? For the Niffler, of the Niffler. Actually, didn't do it for the Niffler, he did of the Niffler. Didn't know why, right? Oh my goodness, it's really rough. You might say, well, why are you even taking it apart, Heather? Anyway, the Niffler discovered in my vision that Queenie came in and she had a silky scarf. And he realized that yummy, soft things and silky, soft things, that really is what you're meant to exchange money for. It is the real value. And of course, that you know, that's what he is. This guy right here, you can see that I love all this lace, all these pieces. He's falling apart. So let's see. Not only are softer things meant to be enjoyed and eaten and used, right? They are either used up entirely or made thin and unusable by our love and by our use. And that there's a lot to be said for forgiving yourself, for making trash, for using stuff up, right? Because it's all part of the circle. I used to have real troubles with letting stuff go. And I'm realizing that things like this, everybody's like, oh, it's so nice, couldn't you repair it? Holding on to stuff that just doesn't serve you anymore is creating, where there's space, where there's nothing anything to do to come in. It's holding up space, it's blockage. Let it go, create the empty space, and new stuff comes in. So I would like to thank the Niffler for all of the lessons held and had, and for being there, and for also willing to not be there. So, with that, we're still sweet. Fare thee well.